Lord, he is registered on 6th September. This person whom you are going to give 6th September. Now, has he got experience in this? In your tender notice, you are saying.
The thing is that even in the past, those who were engaged were self-help groups only. So I feel if the local self-help groups are engaged, it helps the local economy. Bapu contractor who was working in ward number 127 was terminated on 11th or 12th of last month, September. And then in ward number 127 where he was giving his services, we said that because the Chaturthi was just round the corner, we said that till the next contractor comes into picture, we shall take the workers, we will engage, the municipality shall engage the workers. After that, we also asked for the expression of the interest. 3 people have quoted for they have filled their, 3 bidders came rather. Out of them, one is a person from Haryana, one is a person from Bicholi, and one is a person from Margao. So they have submitted to one of the persons who have quoted the list, though we had not asked for any particular amount. We said the government rate, which is up to 500 rupees. One of them has also quoted 490 rupees. So now we have to decide whom we need to give the contract, so that we give the contract to a particular agency so that they could take over from the municipal and we give it on a contract basis.
I think basically it was a complaint because that time I am not even aware of it properly. I think Johnson was I think there was a person.
It is the duty of current chief officer to follow up with the police. No? It has been told he has taken more salary than what he has engaged.
No. If you see, this is what happens. It has been told. We have heard it. We have been told. I think these are
but
all.
You also cannot clarify what is the complaint. I am asking you what is the complaint you have filed.
See, the complaint that has been filed was basically, I think he billed.
Basically, you have to be sure what is the complaint.
So that is what I am telling you. His complaint was we had raised an effectivity of about 30 or 32 workers. He had raised a higher bill.
Yes.
So he was called. He was given a necessary notice. A complaint was filed against him. Then he apologized. He is saying, "Madam, because I was given an order to engage 45 workers, I did that." He gave an explanation, and then we paid him as per the effectivity that was raised. And the further work is of the police. What is to be done?
Then who is supposed to follow it of the police?
No, even if the police are also supposed to do their job, no? Now we have terminated him. We have done, and let me tell you one thing, from 1 to 7, he has engaged about 35 to 36 workers later on. I think the effectivity is there. As of now, I won't be able to tell you the exact number. So he has given services. There's no doubt that he has not given the services.